Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So for today's video, I have a sewing wash day routine for you guys, and I'm partnering up with UNice Hair to bring you this video. They sponsored this video and they sent me 3 bundles of Brazilian straight hair in 20, 22, and 24 inches, and I'm wearing all 3 bundles in my hair right now as a sew-in, and I'm basically going to show you what my wash day routine looks like. Very easy, very simple. It does take a couple of hours because, you know, your braids get wet when you wash them, but I really try to keep any hair care routine for myself very simple and very easy. So there's like literally nothing special to this, but I still thought it would be fun to share with you. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about the hair later on in this video, and I'm also going to be leaving all the links and information down below if you want to purchase it and wear it as a sew-in. So I think that is all. Let's just get started, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope the lighting isn't too bad. The sun keeps coming in and out. It's like really cloudy outside. But the first thing that I always do is put coconut oil on my hair before washing it. I don't like putting it in the bundles of hair. I don't have a mirror, so I'm using my viewfinder. I'm just going to section off my leave out. I also have leave out in the back, but I'm not going to be putting coconut oil in that because I don't really care too much about it. Oh my god, can the sun stop doing that? So there's like this leave out on the side, and then there's here, and then there's on top. So I'm just gonna put some coconut oil in there, just rubbing it in between my hands. If I have my natural hair out, I usually like grab a couple spoons of this and just melt it, but I'm only doing like a tiny bit of hair, so I might get it a little bit on the bundles, but that's okay. I just want to make sure that it's on this section of hair. There. The reason why I like putting coconut oil on my hair before washing it is because it just helps my hair not feel as dry after shampooing. But you do obviously want to make sure that you wash it out really well so that your hair doesn't end up feeling greasy after. Just rubbing it a little bit more. I like using quite a lot, so this looks cute. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm just gonna distribute the rest onto the ends of the weave, but like it's nothing, like it's not a lot, so it's just like a little bit, so it's not gonna be extremely greasy, and you can like wash it out with shampoo, but it is going to help make that hair stay soft and moisturized. So I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for probably like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to shower and wash it, and then I'll be back when my hair is all washed. I'll show you the products that I use, and then I'll show you how I blow dry it, straighten it, and all that. I washed my hair. I use the Cantu shampoo. I will put it down below which one it is. I think it's for natural hair, the Cantu shampoo, and then it's like a L'Oreal hair mask for colored hair because I did dye my hair and the weave black. I'm going to separate this top part of my weave out and just clip it away. I'm going to be spraying Guhl Intensive Treatment Spray, whatever. I'm putting this in the weave as well, and then in my natural hair. This has like, it's like a leave-in conditioner, and then it's also like a heat protectant, so that's gonna be good for blow drying. I try to keep it very simple because like I just don't want to do too much, but what I'm gonna do really quickly is just run my blow drying brush through the hair and like mostly dry my natural hair, and then I'm gonna take off the brush and then just blow dry normally. And then I take off the head. That way my natural hair it's not completely dry, but it's at least detangled. I'm gonna leave this for what it is right now. I'm just gonna speed this up because it takes I'm really focusing on like the braids and like blow drying on the inside of the hair, so the rest like will dry, like don't worry, but I'm trying to focus on blow drying the braids and like making sure that dries quickly. So that isn't completely dry yet, but it's somewhat a little bit more dry. So I'm just going to leave it for now and move on to this side. Do the exact same thing. First, use the brush. Brush it out. It's still very damp. It's not dry whatsoever, but it's a lot more dry than what it was. So I'm just brushing it out. What I really like about this hair is that when you straighten it later on, like, it's gonna be really nice and straight, but after washing it, like, it just has so much more volume and body. As you can see, it's not like super thin. Like, when I first installed it before washing it for the first time, it was a lot more like, I don't know, just like not necessarily super thin, but it was just like, I don't know, it didn't have a whole lot of volume, which it does now. But what I'm going to do is take a little break. I'm going to have some food, and then I'll be back and it'll be dried a little bit more. Leaves are just very hard to get dry right away. I usually do some blow drying before, and then I take a little break, do something, and then come back to it and finish it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'll see you after. Okay, I'm back. It's probably like an hour later, I think. My hair is still pretty damp, but I'm just gonna continue blow drying. I'm gonna speed this up again. I hate this part, but as soon as it's like almost like dry, like 90% dry, we can kind of go in with the straightener and like fix the rest. But let's continue blow drying. This is just a really long process. You can definitely also let your hair air dry, but it takes so long. So I prefer just going in with a blow dryer and trying to get it as dry as possible. But yeah, just gonna brush it out real quick. I just finished blow drying. My hair is probably like 95% dry. Looks a little crazy, but now it's time for straightening. I'm going to go ahead and separate this section again. At this point, I'm over it. Again, I'm doing this without a mirror. I should probably grab a mirror, but like, I don't know, I don't feel like it. So because I have this leave out, this is going to look crazy for a little bit. I'm taking, this is all the weave, like all the hair, and I lift out whatever is my natural hair. Just going to be tying this up like so. And let me go grab my straightener. This looks crazy. So the straightener that I use is the ISO Beauty Spectrum Pro. I'm pretty sure this has titanium plates, and I put it on 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm just gonna let this heat up. Clip it up. This looks so weird. And then separate this section because we're gonna start at the bottom. So pretty sure I didn't spray this in the bottom section of my hair though. Also, just putting a little bit more of that leave-in / heat protectant, and I'm just going to section this and just start straightening my leave out.
Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me.
Okay, so I've almost finished straightening my leave out on this side. Actually, I just finished it. So that's what this looks like. And I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then I'm gonna straighten this, and then do this, and then we're pretty much done. But I'm gonna do this off camera because it's the exact same as this side, and you know, boring. So I'm straightening this hair using the comb chase method, which isn't necessary because you can get the hair straight, like very straight without it. I just think it makes it look even more sleek. So let me talk about this hair a little bit more. I am wearing their Brazilian straight in, I think it was 20, 22, and 24 inches. I cut off like maybe 1 inch just to kind of make the ends more blunt because I prefer how that looks. But I actually really love this hair. It doesn't really shed a lot. Like, it sheds a little bit, which I feel like is normal, especially if like you cut wefts and stuff when installing a weave, and I don't know, you're like wearing it all day every day, so like you're gonna get a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing too crazy. I like the hair a lot more now that I've washed it. Like, after I washed it the first time, it just looks better. Like, I feel like that's with like any type of hair, like it looks better after washing it and styling it. And also I dyed it black and it held up really good. Like, it's not dry or anything. Like, it's literally just as soft as it was when I just got it. So that's great. I'm just straightening it using the comb chase method, just because it makes it even more sleek, but you don't necessarily have to do that. I just like doing it whenever I straighten my hair or any other type of hair. And I'm sectioning the hair off because I really want to just get it really, really straight and sleek. Like, you can pretty much brush it through and then just straighten like bigger pieces, but I just kind of want it to be very sleek and very nice. So I'm just going to continue doing this. I guess I'll speed it up again because it's not very interesting. It's just me straightening my hair, and then I can put on some music and get through this fast. So
close your eyes, get out of your skin. Only this matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes, do you feel the same? Only thing that matters, without change, I will let you into my mind's deep. Recover the fallen tears that have been long asleep. Lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh, stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Again, I'm going to be leaving all the information to the hair that I'm wearing by UNice hair down below. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.
When you were born, there was thunder, fire.